In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type exponents in Canva. If you've ever needed those small raised numbers for math equations, chemical formulas, or footnotes, this is exactly what you're looking for. We'll use Canva's built-in superscript formatting so your exponent looks clean and professional. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're on the design you want to edit. Click to select the text element where the exponent will go. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it and your typing cursor appears. Place your cursor exactly where you want the exponent to appear, usually right after the number or letter that the exponent belongs to. If the toolbar at the top isn't visible, it's often because nothing is selected, so make sure that text box is active. Now, look at the top toolbar. Find the icon that looks like a letter T with two arrowheads pointing left and right. Go ahead and click that icon. This is the control that expands more text options for you. In the menu that appears, click More Settings. When you do, a panel will open on the left side of your screen with additional text controls. Inside that left panel, locate the Formatting section. In there, click Superscript Text. As soon as you turn on Superscript, Canva will switch your typing to the raised, smaller style that's used to display exponents. This is the key step that tells Canva, make what I type next an exponent. With superscript enabled, proceed to type your exponent. For example, if you're writing x squared, type the x in your normal text first, then place your cursor after the x, and type 2 while superscript is turned on. You'll see the number appear slightly above the baseline and reduced in size, just like a proper exponent. The same approach works for anything that needs that elevated look, from 10 to the power of 3 to scientific notation. A quick note for clarity, superscript is a formatting toggle. Once it's on, Canva applies that style to whatever you type next within that text box. Keep an eye on your text as you work, so your exponent looks the way you expect. And that's it. You've opened your project, clicked your text, used the letter T icon with the two arrowheads to access more settings, opened the panel on the left, turned on superscript under formatting, and then typed your exponent. Simple, clear, and accurate every time.